So major developments in the case, including the fact that the judge says he will allow prior bad acts on the part of Alec Murdaugh to be admitted in court. Brian Claypool, Dennis Franks, back with us this morning as we talk about this case and what we have learned. First of all, your reaction to the Snapchat video, some of the technical things that the defense and prosecution were trying to get at this point. Dennis, let me start with you.
As you suggested, they are trying to defense is just trying to poke holes about any technicalities that were not covered. You know, why the state did not ask for the metadata and things of that nature. But overall, the evidence itself, the fact that the voice was heard and two witnesses have said 100%, they're 100% sure that it's Alex is very strong evidence.
Let's play that for folks at home again, and then, Brian, I'll get you to respond to it. Again, this is the video, Snapchat video from Paul Murdaugh's phone the night that prosecutors say you can hear Alec Murdaugh on the tape in the audio clip. Let's play that for folks.
Okay. Hey, he's got a bird in his mouth. Bubba. Hey, Bubba. That's a guinea. This is a chicken. Come here, Bubba. Come here, Cash. Come here, Bubba. Cash. Quit.
You hear a voice that sounds like Alec Murdaugh say several times, "Come here, Bubba, come here, Bubba." We know moments later, within minutes, Paul and Maggie were both murdered that night on June 7th. I know we've got Brian standing by, Dennis as well. Dennis, investigatively, when you were trying to analyze this type of information, this audio clip, what is the technology available that they can decipher whether or not that is Alec's voice on that audio clip?
I think the technology is such that it provides the voices themselves, and it's not going to say that this is Alex, although they can use other recordings of his voice. And voice print or like fingerprints, they're unique to individuals. There are very few people who have, if any, that have the exact same voice pattern. So I think that this, as far as any forensic evidence in the future that they may present, would be comparisons of audio that they do have.
Right, so the technology exists, and then you have just people relying on their own ears. What do you hear? It goes back to that same video. They did him wrong, I did him wrong. We all hear something a little bit different. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.